Hello and welcome to Consumer Times, your go-to source for insightful discussions on consumer trends, environmental concerns, and sustainable living. Today, we delve into a crucial topic whereas in an increasingly interconnected global economy, where transactions occur across international borders and millions of goods and services are traded daily, ensuring fairness, accuracy, and transparency is essential. This is where legal metrology plays a pivotal role. Legal metrology, the science of measurement regulated by law, safeguards consumer interests, promotes fair trade practices, and supports industrial growth by ensuring accuracy in measurements, weights, and quantities of traded goods. Before break it down, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Consumer Times to motivate us. In India, legal metrology is governed by the Legal Metrology Act, 2009, which lays down regulations regarding pre-packaged goods, weighing and measuring equipment, and mandatory declarations to protect consumers and ensure compliance with established standards. Now we understand legal metrology encompasses the regulation of measuring instruments and measurement standards used in trade, health, safety, and environmental protection. It establishes procedures, standards, and regulations to ensure the accuracy of measurements and the reliability of results in various sectors, including in trade and commerce. It ensures accurate weighing and measuring instruments in retail transactions, packaged goods, and e-commerce. In industrial production, validating the precision of industrial equipment to maintain quality standards. In public safety, controlling the measurement of pollutants, radiation, and other hazardous elements to protect public health. Objectives of legal metrology in trade and commerce. Legal metrology serves several critical objectives in ensuring a smooth and trustworthy marketplace. Protecting consumer interests. Consumers rely on accurate measurements when purchasing packaged goods, fuel, groceries, or commodities. Legal metrology ensures that consumers receive the correct quantity of goods for which they pay. Regulations on unit pricing, standard packaging, and labeling prevent unfair trade practices and fraudulent dealings. Facilitating fair trade practices. By standardizing measurement units and ensuring conformity, legal metrology establishes a level playing field where businesses operate under fair conditions. It reduces discrepancies and enhances consumer confidence by preventing the exploitation of unsuspecting buyers. Promoting transparency in transactions. Legal metrology regulations require manufacturers, retailers, and service providers to disclose key information on packaged goods, such as weight, volume, price, and expiration dates. This ensures transparency in trade and prevents misleading claims that could deceive consumers. Supporting economic growth and trade efficiency. Accurate and reliable measurement systems boost consumer trust and facilitate seamless domestic and international trade. Consistency in measurements aligns India's trade practices with international standards, improving the country's credibility and fostering economic growth. Legal metrology mandates compliance with measurement standards and prescribed labeling requirements, reducing errors, disputes, and fraudulent activities. Businesses must comply with legal provisions, such as stamping and verification of instruments, ensuring their measurement accuracy. Key provisions of the Legal Metrology Act, 2009 provides a comprehensive framework to regulate the use of measuring instruments, standards, and packaged commodities. The following are some of the important provisions. Verification and stamping of instruments. All weighing and measuring instruments used in trade and commerce must undergo periodic verification and stamping by authorized legal metrology officers to ensure accuracy. Regulation of packaged commodities. The Act prescribes labeling requirements for pre-packaged goods, including declarations related to net quantity, manufacturing date, maximum retail price (MRP), and expiry date. Control of measurement standards. The Act ensures that measurement standards comply with international guidelines and are regularly updated to meet evolving requirements. Role of legal metrology in different sectors are as in the retail sector, whether it is a local grocery store or an e-commerce giant, consumers expect the correct quantity and price. Legal metrology ensures compliance with unit pricing norms and prevents discrepancies in measurement, ensuring consumer satisfaction. Pre-packaged goods such as food items, cosmetics, and household products must bear accurate weight, volume, and pricing information. E-commerce platforms are required to adhere to legal metrology norms when displaying product information to consumers. The petroleum industry is highly sensitive to measurement accuracy due to the high cost of fuel. Legal metrology regulates fuel dispensing systems, ensuring accurate quantity delivery and preventing financial losses for consumers. In the agriculture sector, where grains, pulses, and other commodities are measured and sold by weight, legal metrology prevents malpractices and ensures fair pricing. Commodity exchanges rely on accurate measurements to determine the value and price of traded goods. Legal metrology helps maintain transparency and trust between farmers, traders, and consumers. In the healthcare sector, accurate measurements play a critical role in ensuring the safety and efficacy of medical devices, pharmaceuticals, and diagnostic equipment. Legal metrology regulates the accuracy of these instruments to prevent health risks. Importance of legal metrology in modern trade practices. With the rise of digital platforms and global trade, the relevance of legal metrology has expanded significantly. Key areas where its importance is evident include e-commerce and digital transactions. Legal metrology governs the correct display of weight, quantity, and pricing on digital platforms, protecting consumers from deceptive practices. International trade compliance. Adherence to global measurement standards enhances India's trade competitiveness and builds trust with international trade partners. As industries adopt IoT-enabled smart devices and automated weighing systems, legal metrology ensures the precision of these technologies. Penalties and enforcement for non-compliance. The Legal Metrology Act, 2009 prescribes strict penalties for non-compliance, which include fines for inaccurate measurements or misleading information, suspension or cancellation of licenses for repeated violations, legal action against manufacturers, retailers, or importers found guilty of non-compliance. Legal metrology is a cornerstone of fair trade practices, consumer protection, and economic stability. By ensuring accurate measurements, standardization, and compliance with established norms, it builds trust among consumers, fosters transparency in business operations, and strengthens India's position in the global market. As technology and commerce evolve, the role of legal metrology will continue to expand, ensuring a fair and reliable trading environment for all stakeholders. If you found this discussion insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Consumer Times. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay informed and stay sustainable.